Okay, this is another question I get asked a lot. I even get asked this by my own employees at times when we're trying to figure out. And the question is, how much electricity do LED Christmas lights use? Hey, let's give your property a little TLC. So how much do LED Christmas lights use? One thing that will first come to mind when it comes to Christmas lights is expenses. Money, baby, money, cashola. But the actual price of the lights or their energy consumption. In reality, Christmas lights consume less electricity compared to other appliances you have at home. But holiday lights can still play a major role in your monthly bill. But one thing is for sure, if you choose LED lights over traditional incandescent lights, you'll enjoy a well-lit indoor and outdoor space with less energy consumption. Some people might not be convinced that with LED lights, you can save up to 80 to 90% energy. I can attest to this. This is very true. Even at our own office here, our bill used to be $9,000 for 6 weeks of lights and 40 different 20 amp outlets. Now it's down to less than 5. So it's a huge saving. Well, it's true, and that is a big savings. So how much electric do LED Christmas lights actually use? Good question. The most commonly used LED lights are LED mini lights, LED C9 retrofit bulbs, LED C9 stringer sets. A set of LED mini lights will use 3.45 watts. A LED C9 stringer set will use 2.2 watts. Lastly, an LED C9 retrofit will use 24 watts. These numbers are relatively low compared to incandescent lights, and when multiplied by dozens or hundreds of strands, it's one heck of a discount on your decking of the halls. It's not just a sales pitch. LED lights were really designed to consume much less electric, and they do it well. Knowing the size of your home and the amount of LED lights you're going to use is important. If you get too excited in purchasing your LED Christmas lights just because you know that you can save lots of energy, you should still keep in mind that less is sometimes more when it comes to holiday lighting. Please don't be surprised if your bill during the holiday season is higher than the previous month, whether you use incandescent or LED lights. If you have a big home and property and you decide to light every corner of your space with lights, then you still will be paying more than you usually pay for your electric bill during the holiday season. Keep that in mind. You can try to estimate your next energy bill by counting the Christmas lights that you will install and the hours that you'll leave it on per night, so no surprises. There are other features you can use to assist in your energy savings. Together with your Christmas LED lights, you might want to consider setting a timer on your lights and planning your display. This is the best way to minimize your energy consumption. Using a timer is also for your and yours home safety, and there can be instances that you will forget to turn them off when you are rushing in the morning or evening. You know how it is when we're all rushing to go to work, you come home, you got things to do, and you forget about it. The reality is, LED lights are the best option for efficiency. They use the right amount of electricity, and when paired with efficient tools like a timer, can ensure the best holiday lighting display on the block and increase the amount of savings on your monthly energy bill. See other ways TLC can help you with the best holiday lights in your neighborhood. Click the link below or call our office, and thanks for watching. If you are enjoying these tips and tricks from TLC, hit the like and subscribe button to receive these weekly.